Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best green plastic basket is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly storage solutions available today, offering a durable and sustainable alternative to traditional containers that can help declutter your home while also being kind to the planet. Its vibrant green color adds a touch of nature to any space, making it not just a practical item but also a visually appealing one that can seamlessly integrate into various decor styles, from modern minimalist to rustic farmhouse. Number 5. Mind Reader Slim Laundry Hamper with Lid. Introducing the Mind Reader Slim Laundry Hamper, a stylish and practical solution for your laundry needs. Its mint color adds a touch of freshness to any room. This hamper boasts a generous 40-liter capacity, perfect for holding your everyday laundry loads. It can easily accommodate clothing, towels, and linens. Its slim, tapered design is ideal for tight spaces, fitting neatly into narrow areas. The wider top opening makes loading laundry a breeze. The open cutout pattern promotes airflow, helping to keep your laundry fresh. This ventilated design also maintains a clean and contained appearance. Designed for everyday use, it's lightweight and features built-in handles. This makes carrying and repositioning it incredibly easy. With its tapered dimensions, it offers a space-saving footprint. The top measures 18L x 10.4 W, while the base is narrower, ensuring it fits where you need it. What we like? If you have limited space and need a laundry solution, this is the one for you. Its narrow, tapered shape fits perfectly into tight spots, while the ventilated design keeps things fresh. Choose this if you need an efficient and stylish way to manage your laundry in smaller living areas. What people say. The basket is made of durable, high-quality plastic that feels sturdy and built to last. Its generous size easily accommodates a large amount of groceries, making shopping trips more efficient. The integrated handles are comfortable to grip, even when the basket is full, and they fold down neatly for compact storage. Number 4. Set of 2 stackable clear plastic storage bins. Introducing our sleek, modern storage bins. Their clean lines and angled design add style to any room, providing a convenient spot for everyday essentials. Create extra storage space exactly where you need it. These compact organizers are perfect for small bathrooms, kitchens, or any crowded space, helping you organize small items and cleaning supplies. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free PET plastic, these bins are shatter-resistant and food-grade. They offer strong load-bearing capacity, holding up to 11 pounds and standing up to daily use. Measuring 7.87 by 4.72 by 3.54 inches, these bins are perfectly sized to maximize storage in any home, especially in apartments or spaces with limited room. Install them easily on desktops, countertops, or walls with the included adhesive hooks. Enjoy a drill-free, damage-free solution for your storage needs. For wall mounting, they adhere perfectly to smooth, non-porous surfaces like tile, glass, and stainless steel. Please avoid grout lines or porous surfaces for optimal performance. What we like? For those who need versatile storage in small spaces, this set is a game-changer. It offers a drill-free mounting option and a stackable design to maximize vertical space. If you're looking to organize your bathroom, kitchen, or pantry without damaging walls, these are an excellent choice. What people say. This basket is surprisingly sturdy and holds a good amount of groceries. The handles are comfortable to grip, even when the basket is full. It's lightweight and easy to carry around the house or to the store. Number 3. MT Products Green Berry Basket 1 Pint, 15-pack. Introducing our vented berry basket, perfect for keeping your fruits and vegetables fresh. Its ideal size is designed for small berries like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Crafted from quality material, this container is built for durability and can be reused. It securely holds your produce without any risk of tearing. Use it in the fridge to extend the life of your fruits. The slotted sides provide essential ventilation, keeping your berries plump and flavorful. Made from recycled pulp, this is a sustainable and eco-friendly option. It's biodegradable and compostable, making it a great alternative to plastic. Ideal for packaging berries at farm stands or displaying produce in stores and markets. It enhances both the presentation and freshness of your goods. What we like? If you're passionate about fresh produce and sustainability, look no further. These baskets are designed with ventilation to keep your berries and small fruits fresh for longer. Their eco-friendly, compostable material makes them perfect for farmers markets, home use, or anyone seeking a greener alternative. What people say. The basket is made of durable green plastic. It has a sturdy design that holds a good amount of items. The handles are comfortable to grip, making it easy to carry. Number 2. Hutzler Pantry Basket, Green. Introducing a stylish storage solution that brings an organic feel to your home. It's perfect for keeping your produce and household items neatly organized. Keep your fruits and vegetables fresh and accessible. It's perfectly sized for items like apples, potatoes, and onions. Moving your stored items is a breeze. With convenient handles on each side, you can effortlessly transport it wherever needed. Maximize your storage space with its smart, stackable design. It helps keep your pantry tidy and clutter-free. Rest assured, it's made from BPA-free materials for your safety. Plus, cleaning is simple as it's dishwasher safe. What we like. This basket offers a natural aesthetic combined with practical storage. Its organic look complements any kitchen, and the built-in handles make it easy to transport produce. If you're seeking a stylish, stackable solution for storing fruits and vegetables while keeping them accessible, this is a great option. What people say. The basket is made of durable green plastic, ensuring it can withstand regular use. Its sturdy design makes it ideal for storing various items, from toys to laundry. The handles are comfortable to grip, making it easy to carry even when full. Number 1. Sandmovie Plastic Weave Storage Baskets, Green. Introducing our versatile storage baskets, perfect for any room in your home. They offer a stylish and practical solution for your organization needs. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these baskets are built to last. Their sturdy construction ensures they can handle everyday use with ease. Featuring a smart mesh design, these baskets allow for quick drying after washing. This makes them ideal for use in kitchens and bathrooms. With 2 convenient built-in handles, moving these baskets around is a breeze. Transporting your items has never been simpler. These baskets are perfect for decluttering your office, bathroom, or kitchen. Keep your essentials tidy and accessible with this efficient storage solution. Measuring 10.05 by 7.5 by 3.95, they are ideally sized for a variety of items. This set includes 6 green baskets to help you organize multiple areas. What we like. For a simple yet effective organization solution across multiple rooms, this set is ideal. The mesh design allows for quick drying, and the built-in handles make them easy to carry. If you need a durable, easy-to-clean set of baskets for your kitchen, bathroom, or office, this pack of 6 offers great value. What people say. The basket is made of durable green plastic, ensuring it can withstand regular use. Its sturdy design makes it suitable for storing various items, from toys to laundry. The handles are comfortable to grip, making it easy to carry even when full. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.